Hi, so we're looking at sums on syllogism today. So normally draw a Venn diagram to draw syllogism. So all engineers are villages. So you draw all engineers are villages. No villages is a nurse, and all nurse are managers. So you try to draw with minimum intersection. And no engineer is a manager. So if you look at engineer is here, manager is here, you can make out that engineer can be managers. You can make out that engineers can be managers. So first is false. All villages have managers is a possibility. So you can make out that I can redraw. Well, whenever there's a no or a maybe possibility, you can always redraw. Every redraw and check out whether it's possible. So it's possible. You can make out that all villages can be managers. Second is possible. So only two follows, right? So all villages can be managers, right? So if they had basically asked that whether all managers are villages, that would not be possible because there is this nurses which cannot be villagers. That is not possible. So if it was all managers being villagers is a possibility, the answer would have been wrong. Okay, but all villages being managers is a possibility. The answer is correct. You can read and check out. All villages can be managers. So only two follows. Some paints are shoes. Some shoes are sleepers. All sleepers are shirts. At least some shirts are paint. So if you look at this is shoes, this is shirts. At least some shirts are paints. No, not as per diagram. And there's no or maybe. So when there's no or maybe, you just look at a diagram and answer the question. So paints are not shirts, so false. No shirt is a paint. No, when you redraw, you can make out that whenever there's a no, you redraw, you can make out that shirts can be paint. Second also is false. But if you look at both are shirts paint, shirt paint, whenever they are both same shirt paint, and both false, then check for either or. And you will look at it that either one of the two has to be true. Either no shirt is a paint or at least some shirts have to be paint. So one of the two has to be true. So D option. So both are wrong and both have the same shirt paints in this case. Check for either or. You'll realize one of the two has to be true. So answer is D option. Some chairs are desks and no desk is bench. So all benches being chairs is a possibility. Yeah, so I can draw like this. All benches being chairs is a possibility. So first is true, right? And second is at least some benches are chairs, not as per diagram. So first is true, so only one follows. Okay? All benches being chairs is a possibility is true. You can redraw because possibility and no, you redraw and check out. So you can make out, you can draw benches under chairs. So some poles are pots, all pots are plants, some plants are leaves. So you draw basically with minimum intersection. This is how we draw. So some poles are plants, true as per diagram. All plants being leaves is a possibility. Yes, normally when there is no in the statements, then normally all possibilities, positive possibilities are true. I mean, they don't know in the answer, so all possibility is true. You can always have all plants being leaves a possibility. Leaves you can draw this way, possible. So both 1 and 2 follow. C option. All woods are chairs. No chair is a table. Some tables are copies. So this is what you have. So some woods being are definitely tables, not as per diagram. Sure, no. No copies are chairs. You can redraw and check out that copies can be chairs. So second also is false. So neither 1 or 2 false. So both are false. Thank you.